Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for my appearance. It is Saturday morning and I was watching Do It on a Dime, and she had some really cute fall decor Dollar Tree DIYs. And so I just got up off the couch and ran to the Dollar Tree. And unfortunately, there was not all of the items that she had in her video available at my store. So I'm gonna try to prop my phone up and show you guys what all I got. I did get some homeschool stuff as well because we actually already started homeschooling back in July, but when we moved to our new home, I wanted to have some pieces to put up on the walls. We've never had a true like homeschool room that was just for homeschool. It's always been like homeschool, play, and junk room. So but this one will be just designated just for homeschool. So I got that stuff, and then I want to show you the fall decor that I did get. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you the fall decor stuff first. That's what I'm really excited about. I have never purchased this many pumpkins before in my life. I only have like, I don't know, 2 or 3 decorative pumpkins maybe. So they had some white ones, and actually guys, I was pulling stuff out of the boxes before they even were like stocking it on the shelves. So yeah, so I got some white ones. Let me move my, here's the velvet orange, like kind of rust orange. Here's a tan. This one is so pretty. I love this one. And this one's really more of like a cream. It's not really white. I know they look the same, but it's got more of a cream color to it. And here's one. Another white one with some bling on it, with some flowers on top. Oh, so, okay, this is a different, this one's a little bit darker than this one. I love both of these. So there's that. You can't tell in the video, but it's got some gold accents like down the creases every so often. It's really pretty. And then like the goldish kind of top stem. This was completely unplanned, last minute purchase and video. But I just wanted to show you guys what was there. Okay, here's this one with the burlap. I thought that was really pretty. I don't think I got another burlap one. No, I did. It's like a mustard color. So I got those. And then the, what is this, ceramic? Is that what it's called? The glass. So I only saw one of these. This was one of them that I pulled out of the box that no one had stocked yet. Here's another like styrofoam one. This was another I pulled out of the box. It still had the bag on it, obviously. So like the gold ceramic style. Those would be pretty like on the dining room table, I think. And then they were putting up their summer stuff. And since we're about to move, I wanted to get some of these solar lights. So they were boxing these up right beside the other ones that I was pulling them out of the boxes. So I got 4 of these solar lights because we have them now and we've been using them for several months and they work really well. So that was all of the fall decor. Oh wait, no, there's one more. I got this. This was the only one that they had. So I don't know if this one was from last year, and it's got like the, what's that called? Buffalo plaid checkered. I don't know if this was from last year or what, but I don't have one, so I got one. And now for the school stuff, the homeschool stuff. So my son doesn't have any, well, let me start over. My son is left-handed, and he doesn't like to use spiral notebooks because they get in the way of his hand because he's writing on this side, and so they irritate him. So I get him loose leaf paper and these notebooks, which have no folders in them, which I didn't realize. I thought they had like side pockets. I mean, I thought they had side pockets, but they don't. And I got him this. It's a little too elementary for him, but I was just trying to get him something that was more adult, more boyish. He's 12 and he does love music, so he might just think it's funny that I got this. So I got him these 2 notebooks, and then I got this stuff to hang on the walls. Oh, I got these for me first. Hang on. Aren't these so cute? But first, coffee. I love coffee. I like you a latte. Brew can do it. I just thought it was really cute. These little filing folders, I'll use them for something. It's just too cute not to use. So I got, this one is, it says ordinal numbers, patterns in the woods. So you can hang this on the wall. I'm gonna see if it's 2 different ones or if it's the same. It says 2-pack, so that would mean it's 2 different posters. I'm just gonna open one. Sorry if it's loud. Okay, so it is 2. They're pretty small. I guess they're smaller than I thought they were. Oh, interesting. You can do stuff with the patterns on the back. Neat. Okay, so here's the front. I just thought it would give us some color and stuff like that on the walls. Excuse me, on the walls in the homeschool room. So there's those. I got these. I thought they were pretty with the rainbow chevron. So it's the ABCs. I don't think it's 1, 2, 3. So ABCs. So these are shapes. In case you didn't know, I have a 12-year-old son, an almost 9-year-old daughter, an almost 5-year-old daughter, and a 3.5-year-old daughter. So I got this one. This one is colors and shapes. I'm assuming they are the same size as the other poster I showed you. Oh, it says grades 1 through 3. Anyway, it would still help anyone out. So it's punctuation. There's that one. And then parts of speech as well. It doesn't say it right there, but okay, so this one is parts of speech. This one is punctuation. And lastly, this one is my body and my bones and organs. So, I lied. There was one more fall decor. These right here, they say, what do they say? Thankful Harvest Welcome. And they're just like metal, little decal type things. So this was the only thing that I saw that they had that Catherine from Do It On a Dime was using in her DIYs. This was the only thing other than like those pumpkins. But she saw a bunch of other things, like they had ferns and they had like the fall signs with like they look like a pumpkin, but there's a stem on it, but it's a sign. So they didn't have any of that. So I might go back next weekend and see what they have. So I hope this video wasn't too crazy. I hope you could actually hear me because I am in my car and it's running because it is August and it's like 80 degrees outside and I didn't want to start sweating like crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.